Welcome back, guys, to my channel. What's up? Today I'm doing another video with this one here, my little sister, and we're about to have some fun. So I wanted to do a little transformation on her today again. She has a wig here, and I know you guys see me put on a wig on her before, but those wigs were not hers. They were mine. This is our first wig from RPG here, Wigs. All right, and this is the Density Gray color wavy style bob lace wig, and it's 12 inches long. Oh my gosh, guys, I love the way this wig came. It was flawlessly colored. As you can see, I'm just applying my Got2b gel, and I'm going in with the spray. Afterwards, she's only jumping because it's cold. It wasn't burning or anything. It doesn't burn. So yeah, she was just being extra. And then we just pulled the wig onto her head. I pretty much just pressed down on the edges to make sure everything is laying really flat, and there are combs inside as well to help secure the wig even more. And then I kind of just used this comb to just help to lay everything down, and I didn't do too much baby hairs. I was wiping away any excess gel or spray that I applied earlier on. I prefer side parts as well. This wig is a center part bob, but we tweaked it, and as you can see, look at the edges. It looks so flawless. I love it. So I proceeded to just winding up the hair to kind of just give it some nice bouncy loose curls, nothing too defined or tight. I wanted to have that flawless and bob curly vibe, and I just did this right throughout the wig. I took my comb and I took my time to kind of just make those curls a little looser, and it gave me a little bit of Hollywood vibe. And then I took my hot comb to lay the top so it wasn't too lumpy and bumpy. I took it and just went through the front part of the hair and kind of just further laid everything down. We want this to look snatched. This is the before and this is after when I install the wig. Fresh face, no makeup, just the wig applied. Really, really nice. I was loving it even without the makeup. Alright, so now we're moving on to the glam portion, which is just, focusing on the makeup. And I'm first, starting off with the brows as usual. I'm just filling that in and, feathering out the front, cleaning it up with concealer. If you guys need a detailed brow tutorial, one is always linked in my description box, so please check it out. All right, please check it out. It's very detailed, and I'm pretty sure it will help a lot of you guys. I'm gonna take my Spellbound eyeshadow palette from Stilazzi, and I'm going in with, I'll list the specific shades in the description box. Okay, I know that I took Wine Knot along with another shade here, and then I overlap that with the black from that same palette, and I applied everything into the crease, really blow that out. And I decided to do a cut crease today because I wanted to do a dramatic look. I wanted to switch it up, plus you guys are requesting that, so I said why not. Now I'm going in with my Juvias Place Magic palette, and I'm taking the shadow Osun. This is a light pink shimmery shadow, and I'm going to pat that all over the area that I applied concealer. Yeah, moved on to applying a wing liner. All right, and it was pretty thick. It was very dramatic, and this was definitely what I was going for. This glitter pigment I have is from Glam Beauty Cosmetics. Yes, they sent me some beautiful glitter pigments, and I'll be using the rest of them in upcoming tutorials. This is like some chunky glitter pigments, which I've been really wanting some of these for the longest while. I moved on to foundation, and this is from Black Radiance. I do not remember the shade, but it will be listed. And I'm just applying this all over her face, just making sure everything is well blended. I really do love the Black Radiance foundation. It blends like a dream. It comes out very flawless. It's a nice coverage. I went into the highlighting portion, which I took Honey Beige, Sistar Cosmetics, to highlight her, and I just took my time to blend out all those areas, and then I proceeded to setting the highlighting portions with setting powder, just making sure everything is in place and intact. And then I balance out the rest of the face with more powders to just make sure everything is looking nice and flawless and mattified. I pretty much followed up with a little bit of contouring, just on the hollows of the cheeks and the temples of the forehead, and I also snatched the nose a bit to make sure everything had a slimmer effect. That I pretty much moved on to finishing off the eyes. I lined the lower waterline, and then I smoked it out with some of the shadow I added in the crease area earlier on. I pretty much just sprayed the face, set it, and I moved on to illuminating. And I really just love a nice glow. It wasn't too overpowering today. I didn't do it too blinding. I applied this to all the high points of her face. Moving on to the lips, I proceeded to just lining the lips with a brown lippy initially, and then I did my concealer trick. I took concealer for the mid portion there to fill it in instead of lipstick. I don't care. That's how I felt. And then I took a darker liner at the end and went around that to just deepen up things and blended that out, and that was it for the lippy. And now I'm just fluffing out the hair, you know, making sure everything is intact. And guys, that's pretty much it for this glam today. And guys, let me know if you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up. And I'll definitely list all the details on this gorgeous wig in the description box from RPG Wigs. The my discount code, as usual, definitely get you dollars off. Sue15 and Petite-10. Go ahead and use those. The direct link will be in my description box. RPG Hair Wigs is having a Halloween sale. Please go ahead, make use of that. I'll list all the details. It ends on the 31st of October. Be sure to take part, like, support your girl. I really appreciate it. That's it for today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!